Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, after a severe snowstorm we had a few weeks back, again snowfall, a lot of it had happened, and you can see the front of my house, it's fully covered in snow, and there's nothing I can do other than cleaning. I really don't like this kind of task, but there's no option. I must clean the walkway. That is the rule by the city, so that has to be done, and there is no way I can avoid. So if you are coming to Canada, make sure you are prepared for it. And not only that, you need to have some additional stuff as well. Sometimes what happens that you won't be able to shovel everything, because once this snow, right now as you see, this is snow, so this is okay, but once it turns into ice and it solidifies, then it is really difficult to move with your shovel. So at that time the solution is to apply the salt is not like the table salt or cooking salt. You do get poor quality salt for this melting purpose, so you have to spread on it and then it works. And I have to do that. You need to purchase that. Thanks for watching.